In this video, we'll explore how to use Monday.com for government project management and why it might just be the right solution for your team. But before we get into the details, I'll also be sharing a better alternative for government projects, so stick around for that. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Let's dive straight in. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that allows teams to track and manage projects efficiently, and yes, that includes government projects. It has all the features you need to keep everything organized, like task tracking, team collaboration, and reporting. Next, let's talk about how Monday.com helps manage government projects specifically. One of the first things you'll notice is the flexibility. You can create boards for each project, and within each board, you can break down tasks, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines. This level of customization helps government teams stay on track, especially with the complex nature of these projects. The fourth thing that makes Monday.com a good choice is its ability to integrate with other tools. Whether it's email, Slack, or even accounting tools, Monday.com connects seamlessly, so you won't have to jump between different platforms to get the job done. That's crucial when you have multiple departments involved in a government project. Now, let's talk about automation. Monday.com offers automation features that can help save time and reduce manual work. For example, you can set up rules to automatically assign tasks, notify team members about deadlines, or update the status of a project without lifting a finger. This automation is particularly useful for government teams handling lots of repetitive tasks, keeping things streamlined. But there are some drawbacks to Monday.com for government project management. One issue that users often mention is the complexity of its interface. While it's highly customizable, that can also make it a little overwhelming for teams that are just starting out. There's a learning curve involved, and if your team isn't familiar with project management tools, it might take some time to get up to speed. And of course, it's not the only tool out there. While Monday.com does a lot of things well, it doesn't always align perfectly with government needs, especially when it comes to compliance and security features. If your project requires very strict data security protocols or adherence to government regulations, you might find that Monday.com doesn't check all the boxes in that area. Next, let's talk about a better alternative. For government project management, I recommend checking out Competitor Tool. It's a great solution for teams that need better compliance features, more security, and a simpler interface. Plus, it integrates well with government systems and provides a more intuitive user experience, something that Monday.com struggles with. And here's the exciting part. You can get an exclusive and extended free trial to this software through our link. Not only that, but we've also lined up some amazing alternatives to Monday.com, each with its own free trial. These options are better suited for government project management, offering enhanced security, compliance, and ease of use. You'll get access to the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else, just by using our link. So, if you want to find the best software for managing your government project, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.